Dear children, welcome you all in the online classes of Bishop Academy. And today we shall discuss about the relation between electric field and potential. It's okay? यानी कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और पोटेंशियल में क्या रिलेशन होता है. Let us consider two electrostatic equipotential surface A and B, in which the direction of electric field is toward this direction. It's okay? And the separation between these two equipotential surfaces is dr. Now consider that potential at plate A is V and potential at surface B is V minus dV, where dV is the change in potential when we go from V to B, means surface A to B. When we go through the distance dr, the change in potential is dV. Why this is V minus dV? Because when we increase the distance, potential will decrease, because potential is inversely proportional to the length. If we increase the length, increase the distance, then potential will decrease. It's okay? Then the potential at point V is V minus dV, where dV is the change in potential going through A to B. It's okay? Now, if we find out the electrostatic work done in this situation, then, or when we bring a test charge from plate B to A, when we bring a test charge from plate B to A, the work done is VBA is force into displacement. Displacement is dr. It's okay? Force, what we bring? Force is equals to charge into electric field. Force is equals to charge into electric field, and we bring charge is equals to 1 coulomb, because test charge is plus 1 coulomb, and electric field is minus E. Why minus E? Because the direction of electric field is this direction, and the charge bringing opposite to the direction of electric field. It's okay? This is Q into E. This is force, and dr is the displacement. Then it is minus E into dr. It's okay? This is the work done in bringing a test charge from B to A. This is equation number 1. Now we know that VBA is equals to, it means WBA is equals to, work done is equals to potential difference. What is the work done on test charge? The work done on test charge is the potential difference. It means it is V minus dV. This is the potential difference, because V is the potential at plate A, and V minus dV is the potential at plate B, and the potential difference is V minus dV. Now after solving, V is cancelled and it is dV. This, according to potential difference, WBA is equals to dV. This is equation number 2. And according to the work done, it means in terms of charge and force, the work done is E into dr. Comparing these two equations, we have dV is equals to minus E into dr. Then E is equals to, after subjecting, E is equals to minus dV upon dr. This is the most important relation. Electric field and potential. It means electric field is equals to minus dV upon dr, where r is the displacement vector. It's okay? This is the relation between electric field and potential. This negative sign shows that when we increase distance, potential decreases. It's okay. It means this negative sign shows that when we increase along the direction of displacement, the potential decreases. Now we shall discuss about potential gradient. Potential gradient is a important physical quantity which is defined as the change in potential per unit displacement along normal to the direction of electric field is called potential gradient. This is the definition of potential gradient, and it is mathematically written in the form of modulus of vector is equals to minus modulus of dV upon dr, and its SI unit is, the unit of potential is volt and the unit of displacement is meter, then it is volt per meter. Its SI unit is volt per meter. This is another important physical quantity defined on the basis of relation between potential and electric field. Now the next topic is expression of electrostatic potential energy of a system of two charges. It means we have to find out electrostatic potential energy due to a system of two charges. In this topic, let us consider a charge Q1 placed at point A and another charge which is placed at infinity, another charge Q2 placed at infinity with respect to Q1, and we have to bring this Q2 at point B, which is r distance from the point A, then the electrostatic potential energy due to the system of two charges Q1 and Q2 is defined as the work done in bringing Q2 at point B from infinity. It means infinity से Q2 को पॉइंट B तक ले आने में जो भी वर्क करना होगा वही वर्क डन जो है इस दोनों चार्ज के सिस्टम में इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के फॉर्म में स्टोर हो जाएगा. इट्स ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कंसीडर अ चार्ज Q1 at point A and Q2 at infinity, and now we have to calculate the work done in bringing Q2 from infinity to point B, and this work done is electrostatic potential energy. Now first of all we have to find out potential at point B due to charge Q1. Potential at point B due to charge Q1. We all know that electrostatic potential V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge is Q1 upon the distance R. It's okay. This is the electrostatic potential at point B due to charge Q1. It's okay. This is noted by BB. And now we have to calculate the work done in bringing Q2 at point B. Then work done in bringing charge Q2 from infinity to point B is given by W is equals to, what is the work done? W equals to potential into Q, potential into charge Q, because V is equals to W by Q. Since V is equals to W by Q, then W is equals to V into Q, V into Q. It's okay. Potential at point B is, first of all, we have to find out 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R. The potential at point B is this much, and the charge which is bring from infinity is Q2. Then it is Q is equals to Q2. And after solving, we have 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. This is the work done, and it is also potential energy stored in the system of two charges. In this system of two charges, it's okay. This is the electrostatic potential energy due to the system of two charges, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. Now, this is a question based on the previous topic. Two charges Q and 2Q are placed 0.1 meter apart. Calculate the electrostatic potential energy due to this system of charges. Now, we know that electrostatic potential energy is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. This is the formula for electrostatic potential energy due to system of two charges, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 and Q2, Q1 is Q and Q2 is 2Q upon the distance is 0.1 meter. Now put the value of Q, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into Q into Q, Q is square, and the value of Q is 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 7 square upon 0.1. After solving this, 9 into 2, 18 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 14 upon 0.1. After solving this, 10 to the power minus 14 and 10 to the power 9, this is 10 to the power minus 5, and 0.1 is written as 10 to the power minus 1. It is 10 to the power plus 1 when goes upward, and it is 10 to the power minus 4. It means electrostatic potential energy due to this system of charges 18 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now our class is over now, and assignment and questions given in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.